To set up call forwarding in Samsung Galaxy A07, we'll need to start by opening our phone dialer. Next step is to click on these three dots and move to the settings. Scroll down until we find the supplementary services, and then when we open it, we'll need to wait until it's scanned. And here I will have the errors, so let's just skip through them. It will only take a few seconds, and now we can click on the call forwarding for a specific SIM card. After that, we'll be able to allow it, and then we can do it for voice calls or video calls. If you go for voice calls, you can adjust when to forward it, always forward it only when busy, forward it when unanswered or when unreachable. And after that, you will need to enter the number which will be used for the forwarding. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.